what's up? Welcome back to another unboxing with Marissa Hill here. Not sure if you're a fan of my videos yet, but if you are, please smash that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video at the end, please feel free to leave some comments. All right, so let's get to this unboxing. Today we have our second V3. It's the ALVAHs, and we're gonna take a nice look. Let's open it up and see what they look like. Nice in-depth look at this 700 V3 that's just launched. I love a black colorway.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And it's for the simple reason of I hate getting my shoes dirty, and black seems to not show as much as a white shoe would, for instance. And this colorway as well will go with pretty much anything you want to pair it with. It looks like on here we've got some nice detailing on the inner side of the shoe here, some stripes and then some dots and stripes mixed in on the side. Some nice colorways of grays, dark charcoal grays mixed in with some black. I think those three colors go great together. On the outside, we've got the same mixture of the dots and the stripes going along here. A nice mesh. This looks pretty breathable on the outside of the shoe as well. Let's see here on the toe. This is a nice kind of rough material. I'm not quite sure. It's not really, it feels kind of rubbery, but not quite. It's a little bit more rough on the fingertips when I do that. The toe box, it looks like, has a nice silver sparkle to it. That's kind of nice. Probably will show through quite nicely in some different lighting. You can see that there. Let's see here. Nice black laces. A simple black insole. Back of the shoe has some nice detail as well. We've got that same kind of pattern that wraps all the way around to the other side of the shoe with the stripes, and we still have some polka dots here going on. Let's check out the bottom here. It's got some nice yellow detail coloring on the bottom, some good grip going on here. So as you guys probably don't even know, my first V3 that I won was the Azaels, but we did the most amazing video on it, and my videographer, for some reason, decided to film it without the sound working.
What you're hired for is to help us. Does that seem clear to you? To help us, not to fuck us up.
Awesome, right? So instead of giving you guys a great video on an unboxing of the Azaels, I had nothing to show you. So today I'm going to bring the Azaels out, kind of compare them with the ALVAHs, see what you guys think. Maybe we can tie in some older footage as well, because it was great footage, if my videographer only turns this one little button on.
I have this condition.
A condition?
It's my memory.
Amnesia.
No. It's different from that. I have no short-term memory.
Yeah, that's right. That's you. I'm talking to you back there. The sound button.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button.
Yeah, good job. Way to go. So let's take out the Azaels, do some comparisons, since there are only two colorways thus far in this series of the V3 700. So I was very, very excited when the silhouette came out. It was completely different from any silhouette that we had released. Different colorway, different shape, everything just kind of went in a different direction, and I really liked the direction that was going in. The Azaels are amazingly comfortable. These are great shoes if you just need a comfy shoe to walk around in all day. My feet did not get tired with these. I love this colorway because it glows in the dark, but guess what? The ALVAHs also glow in the dark, so that's great, right? You think they're black and they're not as cool, but they're actually just as cool as the Azaels, and the fact that they both glow in the dark. So if you're more attuned to black shoes, this is a great silhouette. If you're more attuned to a lighter color shade mixed with some black, these are a great option as well. All right, so another question that I personally had was, why are the V3s so much cheaper than the V2s? And that basically is filtered into the factor that, once again, these do not have boost. And so with the V2s, unlike the V3s, you're paying that extra $100 for the boost that they're adding into that silhouette of the shoe. So if you are maybe throwing yourself out of pocket by too much, this is a great silhouette for you because it's much more affordable than the V2s. It's still a comfortable shoe, but you're saving $100, $200 versus $300. I mean, some people are willing to just, throw in their money for comfort, but if you don't mind, a less cushiony shoe, I think this silhouette's perfect. All right, so let's get into some resale talk. With the ALVAHs, if you are trying to resell these for a good profit, I would recommend ordering these in a higher size. It seems on StockX that these are going for about $200 over retail value. Base sizes, unfortunately, are not doing as well, which are my sizes. So I'm a size 8. Anything, kind of lower than an 11, you're probably only going to profit around 100 to 120 max on resale value for this. The Azaels, obviously, first of its kind, are doing quite well. You're probably going to profit around $400 to $500 over retail value on these shoes. But once again, I think right now, if you're looking for base sizes, this is a great time to buy. You're not spending that much more over retail value. I'd probably wait a little bit as well, because it seems like prices continue to shift downwards, so it's getting closer and closer to its retail price. And it's a great opportunity for you to try out the V3 silhouette. All right, so I have pulled some other black silhouettes in the 700, but both of these other silhouettes are V2s. They're not V3s, since this is still the only black silhouette in the V3. And I just kind of wanted to go through them so that you guys could get an idea of comparisons, differences in each of the shoes, and seeing, which one you might like better, because, the silhouette and colorway can kind of look similar. So for me personally, I don't want to have too much of the same shoe. And with the V2s, once again, the main difference that you're going to see here are that they have the boost and these do not, meaning cheaper, more expensive, a little bit comfier, but still not that uncomfortable. This was actually my first win, if you can believe it. It was a drawing and I won an in-store pickup. Of course, I screwed up and got the wrong size, like a rookie, but luckily they were able to take my exchange and I got them in the right size. But these are the Vantas, and I mean, pretty simple colorway here, simple black. I loved this silhouette and this color because it basically goes with absolutely everything. My second win was the MNVNs, which you probably have seen my video on, hopefully. If not, please go back, check it out. I love this silhouette because obviously I love my Vantas. Same silhouette, way different in the laces. These are a completely different quality. You don't actually have to tie these laces. It's got some nice rubber details in here. The 700 on the side of the shoe. It's still got that same boost that the Vantas have, unlike, our lovely V3 silhouette, which does not have the boost. It's also similar. The MNVNs are actually similar cut, different cut than the Vantas, and it's a bit tighter to the ankle. So this one's a bit wider. It's going to give you more room at the top of the shoe, unlike, the MNVNs, which gives you less room, but the V3s actually give you even less room than these ones do. So these are going to be quite tight on those ankles again. But yeah, overall, I think, you know, my favorite color in shoes is black.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
But, you know, there's some slight differences, and these definitely set themselves apart in different ways, as we explained earlier. So let me know maybe in the comments as well, which one of these three do you prefer? The MNVNs or, you know, the Fantas? Or do you prefer the ALVAHs? So I think overall, this is a great second launch of the shoe, great colorway. It's different in the sense that this has, you know, some pattern going on, but the Azaels as well actually have a similar pattern, just different colorways on the sides of each shoe. Pretty cool.